G'day guys, Greg here. Well, it's Fast Food Friday food review time again, and today I am at Hungry Jack's. They've been doing quite a lot of advertising on their new double mushroom Swiss burger. So today I thought I'd go in, buy one, give one a go, see how much it costs, see how much it weighs, and give it a score out of 10. Now they've got a drive-through, so let's use it. Oh gee, it's this way. Can I please have a double mushroom Swiss beef burger, please?
Yeah, was it by itself or in a meal?
Just by itself, thanks.
Anything else today?
That's all, thanks.
Spice it when you're ready.
No worries. Now they have a double mushroom beef burger and they have a double mushroom chicken burger. And on the chicken burger, they use the chicken that's on the Chicken Royale. FYI. She didn't tell me how much it costs though. I hope it's not too much. Surely it couldn't be more than $10. No way. No burger. None at all. Brothers and sisters. Would be over $10, especially from Hungry Jack's. Although it is Hungry Jack's and they normally would charge some ridiculous price like $11.95 or something, or $10.90. Better not be. Unless of course it's this big and absolutely awesome. Which I doubt it will be. But that's what I'm here for, to find out. Hi.
$7.65, thank you.
There you go. $7.65. Ooh, that's cheap. Much less than what I was expecting. Although now I'm worried. It only costs $7.65. It's probably only going to be like this big. But that's what I'm here to find out. Thank you. All right, well, here it is. Let's find somewhere to park so I can suss it out. Now, apparently this burger's been available at Burger King for quite a while in Asia, and it's really popular. And this is supposed to be an improved version. Alrighty, let's take a first look at this double mushroom Swiss beef burger. Well, that's a bit tiny, isn't it?
That's what she said.
It's only about that round, which is what I said it probably would be. Oh well. It might weigh the same as a roadkill rabbit. Let's find out. It weighs 220 grams. That's 7.75 ounces. That may or may not be the average sort of burger weight. Anyway, let's see what this burger looks like where it counts. On the inside. Ooh, yeah, baby. Come to daddy. Oh, well, there you go. So we have a sesame seed bun here. There's some mayonnaise, well I think it's mayonnaise, with some mushrooms and mushroom sauce. Gee, the amount of mushrooms you get's not very much, is it? It's a bit pathetic. Let's try this sauce anyway. Oh, that's quite a nice mayonnaise. I like it. When I said sauce, I meant mayonnaise. So, on top of the... Oh, hang on, what's this? Oh, that's bacon. Yay, bacon! And underneath the bacon, there's some Swiss cheese. There's a piece of beef. Looks like some more Swiss cheese. And should be another piece of beef. And that's it. Well, considering it was made fresh for me while I waited at the window, it looks pretty average. I mean, if I made a burger at home, you know, within 3 minutes, would it look like that? No, I'd probably have eaten it by then. Now, I did find a piece of mushroom on the wrapper. Let's see what this tastes like. Soft. That's a very mushroomy flavour. Although it does taste like it's probably out of a tin. And here's some of the mushroom sauce. Tastes like it could have some cream in it, but who knows? It's a bit hard to tell with all that cheese and everything on it. Anyhow, how about we dive on in for a first bite? Let's go. Oh man, that was juicy. That first bite, my mouth just filled with the juice from the beef and that melted cheese. Also, the sauce from the mushrooms really just like filled my whole mouth with this really good flavor. And that taste of bacon really shone through as well. That was really tasty. Although the taste of the cheese on there was really almost too much. Considering it's Swiss cheese, which is usually quite flavourless, it's really quite salty. It's a really creamy, salty Swiss cheese. Maybe it's from Austria. But I tell you what, this burger, I'm just craving for the second bite. Wow. Oh, that's good. It is quite salty though, so if you're not into salty sort of tasting burgers, you might not like this. It is very salty actually. The Swiss cheese on it's quite salty. The bacon on it's quite salty. The mushroom sauce is sort of a little bit salty as well, so it is a very salty tasting burger. But that's okay because I actually like salty tasting burgers. I'm a salt sort of person. And all the salts on this burger make it one really tasty burger. Anyway, I think I've had enough of this burger now to know what score I'm going to give it out of 10. $7.95, $8. Not bad. Not a bad price for a burger. It's got 2 bits of beef and bacon and bits of cheese on it. Although if I got 2 cheeseburgers from there, it's probably $2.50 and doubled it up, it'd be $5. I could actually get 3 cheeseburgers and triple it up for the same price as this. That's got me thinking. But considering it's a burger on its own, $7.95, it's not too bad. Flavour-wise, for me, man, this was really good. I mean, it's pretty rare that I actually go to Hungry Jack's and find a burger that tastes good. I mean, without the Whopper, Hungry Jack's would just be nothing. Pretty much all their food has gone downhill like really badly over the last few years. And I used to love Hungry Jack's, but now I don't even bother going there. But this burger here could see quite a bit of resurgence in the Hungry Jack's burger name. And I do love a Whopper, but oh gee, if somebody said, here's a Whopper or one of these, which one would I take? Oh, gee, I think I'd probably take one of these. It's really tasty. I'm really enjoying it. So for an all-over value, all-over flavour, all-over taste, all-over everything score, Hungry Jack's, wow, you've pulled one out of the bag and you've made me respect you a little bit more than what I have over the last few reviews, where I have absolutely caned you. But you've come back with the goods. This is a really good burger and it's pretty good value. So for my score, Hungry Jack's, I'm giving you a 9.5 out of 10. I could have given you a little bit more, but it is maybe just that little bit too salty, which might turn a few people off. But man, it's a really good burger and it's a really good price. So what's my recommendation? Well, mate, if you're driving past Hungry Jack's and you're thinking, oh, I'm never going there again because burgers taste like absolute rubbish, you might want to think again, because this burger here is an absolute cracker. I'd love to go and get another one. In fact, it is a burger that I would definitely go and get another one of. It's tasty, it's a good value for money, it's got all the flavours that you sort of remember Hungry Jack's of having. Hungry Jack's, I think you're on a winner here. It's a good one. Have you tried the new Hungry Jack's Double Mushroom Swiss Burger? Did you get the beef or the chicken? Was the chicken just as good as the beef? Let me know down below. Did you like the burger? I thought it was an absolute cracker. If you have tried it and you did like it, or you didn't, let us know down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for my next review. Oh, I can't wait to finish this burger off. I wish I had bought 2 now. Should have bought the chicken one as well. If you buy the chicken one, let me know how yours was. Anyway, I'm going to finish this bad boy off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next review. Catch you then. Oh, that's good.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger licking. Ooh yeah.
It's so good, I'm licking the wrapper.